Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Dindigal location. So it is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for executive. So it is from Bajaj Finserv. So coming to required qualifications and experience, the candidates should possess graduation with relevant experience of 2 to 3 years, work experience of direct or channel sales in loans, and also experience in insurance will be an added advantage. And excellent team handling and problem resolving ability should be there, and ability to recruit FOS through different channels, and good hands-on experience and know how for working on data management and MS Office, and a good team leader to handle the team and also achieve the set target, and exceptionally high motivational levels, and also needs to be a self-starter. So these are the qualifications and the experience for this position. And coming to key responsibilities, meeting and exceeding business goals or targets in different products, that is loans and insurance bundled or non-bundled, through lead fulfillment and field activity on existing database, and manage, control and own all channel businesses, recruit, retain and manage and build a productive team of off-role employees, and maintain delinquency on the portfolio in line with the product segment, and take care of customer escalations and also complaint, monitor and measure key conversion, productivity and data penetration metrics, and effectively engage with the credit operations and the risk teams. So these are the details about this executive PLCS growth position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, if you are looking for this type of job opportunity, so you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager PLCS growth. So it is from Bajaj Finserv. So for this position, you should be having graduation or post graduation with 1 to 2 years of relevant experience in the financial services industry would be an added advantage, and you should be having excellent communication skills, exceptionally high motivational levels, and needs to be a self-starter. So coming to job duties and key responsibilities, you need to track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc., and liaise with the sales team and the IT team to ensure reduction of sales queries and bottlenecks, and build various process or policy checks on SFDC workflow to ensure minimum leakages downstream by working closely with IT or COE teams, and to liaise with IT team operations and other teams to ensure early resolution of sales query, and also you need to support regular and ad hoc data analysis and business metrics, and plan, execute time bounded projects on geo expansion. So these are the responsibilities about this position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for senior React developer position. It is from TopTal. So coming to about the role, like you need to develop new user-facing features using React.js, and translating designs and wireframes into high-quality code, and also building reusable components and front-end libraries for future use, and optimizing components for maximum performance across a vast array of web-capable devices and browsers, and a commitment to collaborate problem-solving, sophisticated design, and quality product is essential. Next, coming to requirements, You should be having about 3 years of experience in software development and strong proficiency in JavaScript, including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, and thorough understanding of React.js and its core principles, and experience with the popular React.js workflows such as Flux or Redux, and familiarity with the newer specifications of ECMAScript, and experience with the data structure libraries, example immutable.js, and knowledge of isomorphic React is a plus, and familiarity with the RESTful APIs, and also knowledge of modern authorization mechanisms such as the JSON Web Token. So you can also check here with the rest of the requirements mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive position. It is from Mars Solar Systems Private Limited. So any degree candidates can apply for this position, and fresher candidates are also eligible for this. So the candidates must have two-wheeler with a validate license and willing to travel anywhere. So and you are going to get the petrol allowances and the performance incentives for this position. So it will be a full-time job, and salary will be 18,000 to 22,000 rupees per month. So and coming to schedule, it will be a morning shift, and you are going to get some of the benefits like cell phone reimbursement, health insurance, and internet reimbursement, and the provident fund PF will be there. And coming to supplemental pay, you are going to get the performance bonus and yearly bonus. So bachelor's degree is preferred for this marketing executive position. So and also fresher candidates are also eligible, and as well as 1 year of experienced candidates are also preferred for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for in charge furniture division position. It is from Gandhi Gram Trust. So coming to qualification, diploma in fabrication is required, and also should have minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in manufacturing of steel, cot, almara, and should possess knowledge on stock maintenance and bookkeeping. So it will be a full-time job, and you are going to get the salary will be between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month, and the shift will be fixed. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job role, so the link is available in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for accountancy and business studies teachers for CBSE syllabus. So it is from Vivekananda Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. So for this position, the qualification will be PG with BEd is mandatory, and minimum 3 years of experience. So salary will be 40,000 rupees per month, and you are going to get the benefits like food and accommodation facilities. So it will be a contract basis like 24 months, like it will be full time, and you should be having the minimum 3 years of experience in accountancy and business studies handling. So interested candidates to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description, so you can go through with it. Next one, there is a job opening for personal counselor position. So it is from Kodaikanal International School. So coming to qualifications, clinical psychologist or counseling psychologist, preferably licensed with a minimum of 5 years of work experience, preferably with adolescents, and proficient in counseling skills and also techniques, and adopting and implementing appropriate specific solutions and goals. And you should be having knowledge of the personal, developmental, and academic needs and challenges facing adolescents, and all aspects of the adolescent emotional and psychological health. And you should be having experience in a residential school setting, or experience working with residential schools is preferred. So coming to responsibilities, like along with the dean of residential life, you should be responsible for planning and implementing comprehensive and effective social and emotional learning and living programs at the KIS, that is Kodaikanal International School, and also you should be responsible for promoting the school's child protection and welfare policies and serving as the school's child protection officer and counsel students on a one-on-one basis for mental health concerns and personal issues and provide group counseling when appropriate and meet and consult with administrators, learning resource staff and other teachers, students, parents and school doctor and consulting specialists and residential parents to resolve student and staff issues and concerns. So these are the responsibilities for this position. So if you are looking at this type of job opportunity, so I have provided the link in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for TGT Maths teacher for CBSE syllabus. It is from Vivekananda Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. So they are looking for this type of job role to handle 9th and 10th classes for their CBSE school. So the candidates are going to get the salary of 35,000 rupees and also they are going to get the food and accommodation facilities. You should be having minimum 3 years of experience for this position, and the qualification would be UG or PG, and also BEd is mandatory, and it will be a contract basis that is 24 months. So like you are going to get the benefits of food allowance, health insurance, life insurance and also provident fund, and it will be a completely day shift. So interested candidates to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.